Hey guys, how's it going? This is Josh Anarelli with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. I want to take a quick video of my client's sold Aquila 36 powered by the new V8 300's with the Aquila Hydroglide system. He chose to do this because he wanted to have the maximum efficiency for doing a little bit longer runs. Coming out of a larger express, he wanted something to do more of day boating, but still have the capabilities of overnight. He did a little bit different setup in the aft area here, where he incorporated the module just on the starboard side and has his seating center and to port, featuring the upgraded Mocha interior. And he's getting this boat outfitted with full Garmin electronics. Take a quick look at the Aquila Hydroglide system. Really excited to see numbers on this boat with 300's paired with the Hydroglide. Should be a perfect matchup for efficiency. So here you have it, Aquila 36 Hydroglide, currently under contract, closing this month. We have multiple Aquila 36s going out this month. Really popular model, do a little bit of everything for you. Give me a call here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Get more information on the Aquila 36. 727-366-5980. Thanks for watching.